kit. Our first way of introducing you to good farming practice for you to have what we call a first aid kit. It prepares you to deal with certain cases on your farm. So in our first aid kit, we're going to have a betical, which everybody, it is important in getting ticks off of your animal and preventing them from coming out with diseases. We have Hunter and we have ivermectin. That is because whenever you're deworming your animals, there are certain strategies that you have to implement or put in place. You cannot always be using one type of dewormer, or else you're going to build up resistance in your flock. You always have injury, either dog bite or some galvanized or piece of wire or a can knock down your animal and you get an open wound. You need this as your first course of treatment. This is called povidone iodine, and you need that to flush out the wound. Then after flushing the wound, you need your spray. It's an antibiotic spray. It gets rid of any bacteria that is inside. You also need a wound powder to put inside of the wound. So you have your wound powder, then you have your gauze to clean up. Everybody knows what gauze is supposed to do. You take this and you clean out the wound. So we have your gauze, and you have a bandage. Sometimes you can wrap to prevent flies, and you keep it until you get the vet to do what he has to do. Then you have your adhesive wrap. This one goes around this one to make sure that that doesn't fall off. I would like to encourage all of you to come and get a first aid kit.